Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll quickly walk you through how to change your Word document format into landscape. So I have those 3 pages that I would like to change to landscape, the whole document. So to do this, while on your document, you go and click on Layout. After that, you click here, which will give you the page setup. When this pops up, you select landscape. Down here, the apply to, you click here. Then you select whole document. After that, okay. So there you have it. You see that your whole document will be changed to landscape. Thank you for watching.